How to hide Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide your Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. It's super easy, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, you will be directed to the settings page. From here, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as restricted. And now once you are here, simply search for the person to whom you want to hide your post from. And once you have found that person, simply tap on the restrict, which can be seen beside their name. And once you restrict that person won't be able to see your post and your content. And now your content stays private from them and no blocking needed. And that's it. That's how you can hide your Instagram post from someone without blocking them. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.